think, Marge. All I need is a title.
Welcome, everybody. This is GamerCat, and you're watching GamerCat Plays Hearthstone. And in this episode, we are finally moving in the right direction after beating another paladin. Wasn't using a Murloc deck. I was, though, and we managed to come off with the win. So we're hoping that we can continue in the same direction. Here we are. Figuring out who we will play. I want to play my old roommate. That'd be cool.
Uther versus
Had
Jaina.
several.
You asked for it.
I will fight
Ooh.
with honor.
Interesting. Interesting. Okay. I like that. That'll work. We'll be able to get two guys off in our first turn. Switch our hero power to something a little bit more offensive.
You want to cast a spell? I want to cast a spell.
Yay! He wants to cast a spell. My strategy just changed. I like you still, but then I like you. 'Cause you're gonna charge and kill this book thing. Die. I expect she'll firebomb that. My baby Murloc out there. My Murloc baby. Murloc out. Yeah. Yep. Die. I can fireball too now. Very good. Ooh, gonna give me the board for a little bit. Okay, because what we're gonna do here, get out our nice juggler here, give him a little bit of a boost, and do damage. Here we go. Freezing me, and that's pretty much all he can do. I wouldn't just say all he can do, but okay. At this point, it's probably a good idea to neutralize our Mana Worm's power there. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. We'll silence him. Knife Thrower does a little bit of damage, and yay. He is still a 1/3 creature, but he isn't going to grow every time Jaina casts a spell.
You're not.
Oh, another Mana Worm. This one will probably have to just kill. Very effective. That was a very effective turn there. See if we can do something about that. Another Knife Thrower gives you Divine Shield, because I don't necessarily want you dying that quickly. Well, you could have thrown that knife somewhere else, but that's fine. Go ahead and try to whittle you down a little bit. Well, go ahead and attack him then. I think he's trying to figure out how to go about doing it. I think the concern is this guy here is giving him a plus spell damage, and this guy's growing every time he casts a spell, so he doesn't necessarily want to kill either one of them, and he didn't. Okay, now it's my opportunity here. good chance I'll get something to use. Yeah, there we go. Right there. I'll take that. Knock off your other one, too. There we go.
This is my
And we'll kill it. There we go. Awesome. There we go.
You want to cast a spell? I want to cast a spell.
Yeah. Lots of spell casting here.
One shot, one.
Very effective. Yeah, doing halfway decently good there. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, first off, there's you, and you, and everything's a 1 now. There we go, and may as well. There we go. Try to whittle him down a little bit more here. We're approaching when we can launch off with our anything can happen. About 3 more turns. It doesn't look like either one of us is in any real hurry to. Doesn't look like either one of us is in any real hurry to finish off the game here. So we'll probably get that opportunity to.
Get in there, fight, maggot!
Don't leave this guy up there. There we go. Retake my board for a little bit. Drawing a couple cards because apparently you have nothing. Not saying I have anything in either at this point, but apparently you had nothing. You had nothing. All right, well, perhaps the easiest turn in this game.
For justice!
Lots of fire. Next turn, anything can happen. Get my mouse off that button.
I wonder.
Ooh!
There's some.
Ow! Okay. Alrighty then. Ah. Okay, insistent little dude. Okay, let's see what we have here. Crap. Not as much help as I wanted, but let's do it.
For justice!
Gotta take at least one shot at that. Ow! We've still got a board. That was an unfortunate turn of events there. That demon could have been a lot more trouble if I'd let him go. So we'll go ahead and take the 10 points. Okay, lots of damage being done there. The thing is, that should be most of what he can do. A 10-point lead now for him. Okay. Let's go ahead and there we go. Try to start building up here a little bit. Let's see if he can do anything about that Murloc Knight. That Murloc Knight's the biggest threat on the board right now for him. I think. Yeah. That takes care of both of them. Damn. Can you attack? I think you can attack. Crap. If I... Yeah, that would kill me. Crap.
I wonder.
I got it. You know what? Because... Let's see here.
For justice.
Ow! I'm gonna be at 2. Crap. And unfortunately, my deck does not have much in the way of healing. So... Although, my current weapon does heal me by 2 points. I don't think, with all these cards that he has, I don't think that...
What to do? What to
Well, maybe.
do?
I might get another turn. Nope. That's up. Yep. That's lethal. There we go. We're not going the right way, guys. Oh, well. Oh, but we did get our righteousness. Okay. So, before I go, let me go ahead and... Not that button. This button. Find out what else we need to do. Pass, taunt, or rogue, or warrior. Hey guys, let's go back to Garrosh starting next episode. In the meantime, if you did like what you saw, even if I got myself beat, or if you want to give me advice, helpful advice would be very, very good. Feel free to leave some comments in the comment section below. In the meantime, this is GamerCat signing off.